pirate's life for me. We pillage, we plunder, we rifle and loot. Drink up, me hearties, yo-ho. We kidnap and ravage and don't give a hoot. Bring up, me hearties, yo-ho. Yo-ho, yo-ho, a pirate's life for me.
Good afternoon, Forest families. It's Friday, May 8, 2015, and here is your weekend review. It must be May. I do not know why this always happens, but the last few weeks of school always seems to be jam-packed with something. And this was one of those weeks. Kindergarten Roundup was on Monday, and by far was an enormous success. We had 21 families in the morning session, and then 33 in the evening. It was standing room only in the multi-purpose room, in the library. We are eager to have that many potential kindergartners here at Forest next year. If you need more information regarding enrolling your child in kindergarten next fall, please contact Mrs. P in the Forest office. Tuesday night was our annual Forest Art Show presented by Mrs. English and the rest of the art department. It was coincided with the book fair and election day. The doors did not stop turning as people were filing in and out of the building on Tuesday night. Thank you all for purchasing your students' masterpieces. All the money collected from the art show will be used within the art department. Tuesday was also ACES during the day, or ACES Day. All children exercising simultaneously. At 11 o'clock around the country, students went outside and exercised for 15 minutes. Our students took their mileage marker cards that Mrs. Edwards uses in her gym class and had the students do laps around the school. Miss Edwards, Miss English, and myself stood out front and punched cards as students ran by. What a great way to promote National Physical Education Week. Thursday was our 5th grade band concert. The students that participated in the band showed off their talents for the crowd. Thank you, Mr. Beeson, for all your hard work this year for the 5th grade band. They sounded fantastic. Following the 5th grade concert, we had our 2nd, 4th grade choral concert. Students sang Happy by Pharrell and a rendition of Footloose. The 4th graders even played an Edelweiss on their recorders. It kind of took me back a couple of years. Nice job to everyone, and the kids sounded great. Today, our students that met the PBI school for the month received an extra 20-minute recess. They were supposed to read their flavor ice, but they didn't. They weren't frozen yet, so we'll make sure that those students get those ices of the flavor ice next week. This week was also Teacher Appreciation Week. The Parent Club had a nice treat or reward for the teachers every day this week, including lunch for Mancinos today. Thank you, teachers, for all that you do. Most everyone at Forest knows that our teachers go above and beyond every day to educate your children. If you have not had a chance to send them a note or an email, it's never too late. Next week, Monday, breakfast with the principal or breakfast with me is canceled. I need to go to the airport and pick up my family. They're in South Carolina right now, and they fly in that morning. So I will be rescheduling that, and I'll keep everybody posted. 4th grade will be finishing up the M-Step next week, and 3rd grade will actually begin the initial testing for the MAP test, which will be going from now to the end of the school year for all the grades. Wednesday is also the hearing screening makeup, as well as Learn to Earn credit union banking, and Wednesday night, from 6 to 7 o'clock, we'll be having our Invention Convention. For more information regarding Invention Convention, please contact Mrs. Farkas. That's all I have. Have a great weekend.